There are several advantages to planning in Google Docs. As a teacher, I know that time is one of those things I simply don't have enough of. Before, if I wanted to make changes to my student weekly plans, I had to take the old document off of my Canvas page, edit it in Word, save, and then re-upload before those changes would be reflected in what my students could see. Now, by planning in Docs, any changes that we make to our plans are automatically saved and immediately reflected in the document that our students can see. So no more clicking around to make one small change to your plans. What I also really like about planning in Google Docs is that it makes it quick and easy to hyperlink. By selecting text and choosing the Insert Link button, I can quickly link to anything that I'm looking for, maybe a YouTube video or something else that I've created for my students. Sometimes there are things that we do, like do nows or quick formative assessments, that we don't want to put in a Canvas module. When the modules get so long, it becomes really difficult for our students to find things. So what's nice about these plans is I can quickly link to a formative assessment and my students can access it through the student weekly plans. Now I don't need to put it on Canvas, but the activity is still available to my students through Canvas when they click on that student weekly plans link. Another benefit to planning in Docs is that you only need one document. Before, you used to create separate Word documents for each week's plans. Now we can just keep them on one long running document with the newest plans at the top. I'll show you how to do that when we set up your plans. It's also nice for our students because now our docs are searchable. So if students want to see when the last time they took a quiz is, they could press Control F, type in the word quiz, and then they can find that word anywhere in the plans. So it's easy for our students. What I also like about it is the data that it gives you as the teacher. By clicking on the viewer statistics, you can see when the last time your students accessed the plans were. So if you have a student who's late on turning in the homework, you may want to go in and take a look and see how often they're checking your plans. Finally, it's easy to bookmark your plans and save them in your Google Chrome, and this way you can easily access your plans to change them when it comes time to plan for the next week. In the next section, I'll take you through a series of videos for setting up your plans, but the goal is to make your planning more efficient and save you, the teacher, time in the long run.